What up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I want to cover and see if we can figure out the seat bracket issue with 350Zs. If you watched my last video, which I'll leave the link in the description, ran into the issue where the planted seat bracket in the Planted is the brand. If you're new to that, it's called Planted. Play on words since you're planted in the car. Anyways, 4 bolts, passenger side. You put the bracket in, one hole doesn't line up. If you push on it and flex it, it'll fit, but there's no way to make it flex once the seat is mounted on the bracket and in the car. Anyways, just go watch the last video. I explained it all, link in the description. But I got a new set of brackets from eBay. Thanks to a subscriber, and leave your comment on the screen. Thank you so much for reaching out. But let's open it up. This is from DNA Motoring, $70 versus $300. And this is supposed to fit a lot better on the passenger side at least. So let's look at here. Okay, let me grab the other bracket real quick to show the difference. Planted seat bracket, eBay DNA seat bracket, $140, $35. Really high off the ground, really low to the ground. We want a car seat to be really low in the car, so this one is already, this one, look how low we are. So look at the difference here. So if you notice, compensate for the transmission hump in the car next to the center console. See how the distance of this right here, there's a hump that comes up, this lines up, and that's how they dealt with it. So let's just raise it up and put long arms on the right side. Well, if you think about it, this company was like, wow, let's be really smart and make a bracket that is lower and compensate by having the arms go up and fitting it that way, which works out great. So you can see this kind of comes up and slides into the hump so it can keep it as low as possible. So let's mount this to the seat and see how it fits compared to this. This kind of fits okay. Actually, it's not in there all the way. It's kind of a harsh angle. I should be able to make it work though. This fits great. This fits great. But if you look at this up close, Austin, you want to show them up close? Look at how this bends up, but if you look, like, this is going down. Why would they bend this up? This should be bending down. Like, was that an accident in the eBay, you know, fabrication world or what? So that's not gonna work. So I'm thinking I might try and bend that myself. Hopefully it doesn't break. But this is also an issue. You see that angle, even if you push it down, like, how's that gonna work? But before we try and bolt all this and bend this tab, let's try and mount the seat and get the seat in here because we can get the bracket in here decently. Let's make sure the seat's gonna work with this because I'm not gonna break this and then try and return it broken.
Okay.
Can you see it in my face?
Yeah, it's on your face.
Can you see it? Can you see it in my face?
See what?
There's more issues. Great, bolt. Woo! Yeah, we got one. We got none. We got one. And another one doesn't work. Come on, look at this fitment. It's as tight as we can get it. Me and Austin have literally been messing with this for like forever. And this seat bracket doesn't work either. I don't know if it's because I bought an NRG large seat or what, but I gotta get a hold of them and see what we can do to make this work and get some nice seats in the 350 because this is literally physically impossible. 2 different brackets don't work. Seats are the same. And this tab, let alone, is bent the wrong direction. Look up closer here. This tab should be bent down, not in. It should be like out. So about $420 deep in brackets. So if you guys have a solution, please let me know in the comments. All of you 350Z owners that are more experienced than I am, help a brother out. Later on in the night, I've done quite a bit more of extensive research, and I did get a bracket from Amazon from DNA that it's bent up, that tab, when it should be bent down. In the product photos, it is bent down, so that's an issue. To contact NRG, maybe some smaller seats will fix this issue. I'm not sure, so I'll let you guys know. But I do know that the DNA Amazon seat brackets that are low enough work with Sparco seats. So it's something to do with the combination between the seat and the bracket. But anyways, before we end today's video, my cousin just got a Can-Am. I wanted to detail it for him since he just got it. So we brought it over to the house. My good friend Austin was over. He has a YouTube channel. You guys should check it out. Subscribe. He does a bunch of dope helicopter content. So I'm going to roll these clips. Austin helped me film, and I hope you enjoy. Later.